Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to change your coolant sensor. What this does is it sends the temperature of your coolant of your engine back into your car. The tools you're going to need is this 19-inch long socket. You're going to need a long socket. I have an extension just to get away from all of this stuff. I don't really want to be in there because mine is right there where your temperature gauge will be. I mean, it just depends on your vehicle. I have a ratchet and it should be a lot easier. It's not a hard thing to do. Very well do it at your own house. The mechanics will charge you for more. This is why you want to do it yourself. So first thing you want to do is you want to unplug the wires from your sensor. Oh, also, I forgot to tell you guys, if you just got done driving your car, leave it for like 30 minutes, let it sit outside because the coolant will still be hot, which means the whole system would be pressurized, which that's why you don't even want to open this while it's hot because the coolant will explode out. Give your vehicle about 30 minutes to cool down and then you'll be good to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get down there, grab just like that. It's pretty hard. I'm going to need both my hands for this. See, you can tell it's pretty hard. There we go. And here's a tip. If your ratchet starts doing this, don't just go all the way around. Just take your ratchet off and just keep spinning it, just like this. It goes by a lot faster. So after getting it out, coolant's going to start leaking out, which is because, I mean, you're taking it out of the hole. So it's like putting a hole in the system. So you need to get it out. Hopefully it's not too hot. There we go. Boom. So you can see why I'm replacing mine. Something happened with this one. I don't know how it broke, but it's missing this part, and that's what the part you need. So I'm going to be putting this one back in now. I'm going to put the camera back over here so I can do this. And don't be alarmed if there's coolant coming out. I have a lot, but I mean, that's pretty okay. You just clean it up after. But let's just get this back in. At first, you're just going to hand tighten it just to catch the threads. Pretty hard sometimes to catch the thread on this, like it is right now. And you want to hand tighten it first. Just hand tighten it. You can get your ratchet. Just start putting this thing down. Don't go too tight. Go until whatever your torque specs are in your car. Right now, I don't have a torquing wrench, but I'm gonna pretty much kind of eyeball it. Not eyeball it, but keep, I don't know, just feel on it. Have a feel. But every car has the torque specs, and you need to just look at yours. After getting it tightened down, it should look like this. It's already so dark, guys. I'm doing this around 5 o'clock, and it's getting pretty dark. But you're gonna want to get your connector right here, and just put it right in there. If it doesn't seem to want to go in, just flip your connector around and it should go right in just like that. And that, guys, that's how you change your coolant temperature sensor. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment on what I should do next. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next time.